Hey, what's up? It's Shiraz. Welcome back. Today I'm going to try and make spaghetti with masala. I'm really excited about this actually because yesterday I made a story where I was eating spaghetti and someone DM'd me and was like, why does it look like you're eating spaghetti with masala? And I went, this is fucking brilliant. And that's why I decided to make it for this week's video. And it better be fucking bomb because I went out of my way to buy all of this and it ended up costing more than me just going to an actual restaurant, buying the food and get it here and then mix it with spaghetti. First thing first, because I'm going to be a chef today, I need my hat, wash my hands, and yeah, done. Let's go. Since I'm not really familiar with how traditionally a masala is made, or a curry really, and this is like an Italian desi dish, I'm taking my own liberties by introducing other ingredients to make it a little more interesting. First ingredient is zucchini, because I want it to have like a little crunch. Well, I didn't want potatoes, because that's too like everybody does it, so zucchinis. And then shiitake mushrooms. I love shiitake mushrooms in pasta. I really love it, and I'm just curious how it's going to taste in a masala sauce. To keep it traditional, I'm going to add tamarind, garam masala, turmeric, cumin, curry powder, and I'm also going to add like basil towards the end. And it's all going to be based off a chicken dish, if that makes sense. So I'm going to cut all of these and then get back. Oh my gosh. Oh no. What the heck? Onions. No joke. Garlic smells delish. I feel like it's going to be mostly mushroom and onions at this point. I wonder if this is spicy. Spicy. Oh fuck, it's spicy. Oh no! My rationale in removing the seeds is that I don't want it to be overly watery and I don't want it to be filled with seeds. Well, that's my rationale in removing the seeds. I might be wrong. That will not be the first time or the last. I honestly just realized that zucchinis and cucumbers are very different. I feel a little dumb admitting that, but that's the truth. I really thought they were the same. It's like the American version of cucumbers. No, they are not the same. Do you ever feel like you want to eat the chicken raw? Look at how delicious this looks. It looks like some sort of fish. Okay, I'll start by, oh my god, it looks so done. Let's get rid of that. I mean, it's pasta. How hard is it to fuck up? I usually also add like a drop of olive oil because I feel like it makes the pasta less sticky. And just proper boil it. That's it, really. Medium heat because I'm not really sure what I'm doing. Tamarind paste. That's a little disappointing. Fuck it, I'm gonna try it. It tastes like actual legit tamarind. This is delicious. I'm into it. I forgive you for being so small. So I'm gonna put some oil. Alright, let's do it. Oh, it smells good. Chicken stock, because I feel like it's going to shit. Alright, beautiful. Oh, hello? Yes, thank you. It's so hot in here.
I'm gonna die. It smells good.
Does it really?
Yeah, it does. Hopefully it tastes good.
Yikes.
I saw what you were making.
So So I'm gonna add the tamarind now. Garam masala, curry powder. What does turmeric do except give color? And basil. This is mad exciting. I'm like really excited for this. To make it thicker, I'm just adding some cornstarch, equal parts cornstarch and water. Is it cooked? Is it raw? This is fucking delish! This is amazing! What? Pro tip when you're making pasta. When you drain the pasta, bring it back after you've cooled it down, add some butter in it, melt it so it doesn't stick together. And then take whatever sauce you had.
Oh yeah.
Buzzard command! So I'm going to plate it and then I will make cattle try, so stay tuned. Okay, it's done. So in true Mauritian fashion, because you know it's a fusion cuisine, right? So, kuchaman, if you Maurice, egg formaskraft.
Chop.
Alright. Bon appétit.
Good.
This is amazing.
It's really good. Let me try the zucchini. Good, turned out good.
It turned out perfect. I know.
Not too mushy, not
Nothing.
too crunchy.
Perfect. Oh my, I'm so impressed.
It tastes like puri masala, but like a sweet, tangy aftertaste to it.
Oh my god, let me try with like kucha. Kucha spaghetti masala. Straight from Mauritius. Don't ask me how I got it through customs.
I will ask how you got it from customs.
Very
I
sneaky.
couldn't.
Dude, it was so sneaky. Dude, the kucha makes it so much better.
It does.
Oh my gosh.
It adds a really nice taste to it,
I know.
especially since it's cold. But
Hey Sean, que toi?
Moi, t'as le sou, là, toi.
what is it?
Moi, t'as acheté shopping mango. Moi, j'ai acheté laisse mango.
Parce qu'il me crée une dish qui est extraordinaire, j'ai envie de venir tester.
Ah, mais tu vas spaghetti masala, là.
Maribon.
Det är min brorsan, mamma berättar.
Ah, c'est de respecter ta marraine.
Oui, mais c'est pas mal. Tu mets de kucha là-dedans. Ouf, marito.
Aïe, aïe.
Sean, t'es peut-être un Michelin star.
Tu m'as fait la moitié, même d'après ça. Good job.
Oui.
What the fuck?
I know, exactly.
Amusez-vous.
Allez.
Allez.
Bye.
Bye.
It's surprisingly sweet. Do you get the sweetness
Yeah,
of it?
yeah,
I
yeah.
thought it would be spicier than sweet.
There's so many flavors. Rate it from like 1 to 10.
What's the dish I consider 10? Sean's spaghetti.
Really? That's a 10?
Yeah, I'd give it a 7.
That's pretty high.
It feels like home, you know, but not quite home. So it's like comfort food, but not really.
I can fuck with 7 on 10. This is amazing. How could I make it better?
You know, you could like chop up chili and add it on top, so you get like the crunchy and the spicy together.
Whoa, it's over! This is so good! Yes, sir! So, that's it. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. You don't have to try it at home, but if you do try it, it's going to taste amazing. So if you do, please send me a message, because I would love to know what you think. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!